And so this person is asking whether it's easier to get a cash out refi or whether it's easier to get a HELOC. And my answer to that will be, it all depends. It all depends on what is it that you're comfortable with, and it all depends on your current situation. So for example, a cash out refi can be done in any type of property. It can be done in your home, in a house, in a structure, and anything that has, you know, some sort of like housing structure to it. But a HELOC can only be done in a home. Like, you have to reside in there. It has to be your primary residence. So two things to that. Not everyone is comfortable by putting their home on the line, because I mean, you could end up homeless and if you default on the payments. And then two, if you're like me, I'm renting. I don't personally own my primary residence. I actually rather use that money in my investments in other states and make sure I'm cash flowing at the end of the day. So when I do that, it automatically eliminates my possibilities to apply for a HELOC. I think some point in time during this year, somebody wrote that he or she was able to get access to a HELOC on a rental. So I'm not sure how that happened. Either maybe he was residing on one side of the house and therefore it was considered a home for him, for the applicant at that time, and he was able to get a HELOC out of it. But I haven't known or haven't met anyone in my whole investing career that actually provides a HELOC on a rental property. And if you guys know of somebody, feel free to share that information with everyone here in the channel, because we would love to get in touch with that lender. So thank you for that question. And so